Rule number one is be excellent to each other.
Nice.
And which means all of those things that have come to fruition or have come to the front of our thought in the last 7 years or 8 years, diversity and inclusivity and all of that has been a part of what we've done since day one by definition, because our very first rule is be good to each other. If somebody comes and says something to you about, hey, there might be a better way to do that, don't take it as criticism.
Yeah.
As somebody trying to be excellent.
That's something that I struggle with. And again, I tend to look at things through the lens of sustainability, but one of the things that I'm challenged with in all of professional work is that people think that the goal is a product, and they don't realize that the process is actually the goal. And they're very afraid of iterative learning. And I think makerspaces and anyone that encourages exploration in that way, it is all about iterative learning. It's all about not being embarrassed if you did something that didn't work. You actually can fold in information back into the work. What's the second rule?
Radically apply common sense.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Also great.
Also, that I need a bumper sticker. I honestly think that for me is the definition of sustainability.
Yeah.
And that's why I get so befuddled in the real world, because I don't understand why people don't get it, because it is a case of radically applying common sense.
Well, you and I, Jody, we've known each other for a long time, longer than either will admit. And like everybody, we know a lot of people who are kind of lacking in the common sense gene.
That is not a statement.
Yeah, they can be incredibly bright, but not so much with the common sense.
Thanks for joining us for 2 Minutes to Change and learning about the center of gravity in downtown Troy.